Welcome back everyone to Cooking with Frenchy. In this recipe this week, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful beef stroganoff. That will be served with pasta. It's an easy recipe. It's my version, a little bit of traditional, a little bit of a twist. Hope you enjoy it and watch this. See you just after that. Alright, we are going to start by heating a little bit of oil. And as you know, or you don't know now, but here it's my beef fillet, the tails of the beef fillet I prepped before. You could use a totally different cut of meat, flat iron steak, bavette, skirt, hanger steak, rump if you want, but try to choose something that's very tender. Sear the meat for about a minute on each side. Make sure you sear it very well. Add a little bit of butter and add some smoked or sweet paprika. Let it cook a little bit quickly together. Give it a bit of a toss. And if you can see on the right hand side of the screen, I'm already cooking my pasta. I use penne pasta for that dish. Remove the meat after 2 minutes. Add a little bit more butter to your pan. Don't clean the pan. Add your shallots. You can do dice, or here just slice them. Again, give it a bit of a toss. You know, chefs like to toss. And then when they reduce, they sweat, they caramelize, you can now add your mushrooms. I'll just quarter the mushrooms. Same again. I'm tossing again. Add some crushed garlic. Give it another toss. We get a nice brown color. Add some tomato paste, just like so, and we are going to toss again. That's motion, it's called sauteing, saute. Here I'm adding some beautiful Dijon mustard. Make sure you use some quality mustard, not some mustard on the market that are very bitter, very acidic, vinegary. I'm adding a bit of thyme, because I like to take my time when I cook. It's all about time and love. And I didn't have brandy, so here you go, a bit of scotch for it. And because I'm cooking on electric stove, I must light with a little match. So be careful, don't burn the house down, especially if you have an exhaust fan, and cook off the alcohol. You end up with something like this. So we had a bit of stock, and I'm not gonna lie, I didn't have beef stock available, so therefore I used what I had, which is chicken stock, but beef stock would have been much nicer. Cook it, let it reduce, add the flavors of the sauce, of the juice I should say, of the meat left over. Cook it for about 10 minutes until it reduces. Remove the thyme, have just a bit of cracked pepper into it. But not salt yet, the salt will be really at the end, because we're gonna add some cream. Here we are. You see already the consistency is becoming a little bit thicker. Bring that to the heat, add some chopped parsley, and we're gonna boil the cream, reduce the cream. A lot of people say you can't boil the cream. This is bull BS. You can boil some cream, especially liquid cream or whipping cream as we call it here. I wouldn't boil creme fraiche because it tends to split. When it says split, it separates, it becomes oily on top. If that ever happened to you, you can see here in the center it's very boiling, so give it a stir. If you can see, it separates a little bit. If you really go too far, just add a little bit more cream, tip of the chef, and cook again, and that will be just perfect. It settles everything. Put back the meat into your sauce, just to reheat it really. As I said, we don't want to overcook it, we don't want something chewy. I want something just nice. Look how beautiful is that. By this time your pasta should be cooked, drained, strained, and keep it warm. And we're going to put a little bit of the sauce and toss again all the pasta with a little bit of the meat and dish it up. This is a dish I did at home. It's nothing I do in a restaurant. I'll probably present it much nicely. That's a quick recipe that you can easily do for you and your guests, your friend, or just for yourself, and enjoy. So I hope you enjoy following this. Look at that, it's delicious with the parmesan on top. Hey everyone, I hope you really enjoyed that beautiful dish, that beautiful beef stroganoff, nice flavor with smoked paprika, a little bit of Dijon mustard, cream, cooked with nice penne pasta. It was just divine, just to die for. Try to do it at home. You don't have to use beef fillet as I did. You can use iron flat steak, bavette, skirt, something quite tender though, because you don't want to cook the meat for too long. So please like this recipe, share it, give it a try, and share it to everyone. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and see you for the next recipe next time. Bye. Bon appétit.